Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Once again is another DIY video. You guys can see by these images I made this lovely bowl with the air dry clay. How stylish, guys. Please do not forget to like, comment and share on the road for 1,000 subscribers. Let's get this done this year. Watch the video. Guys, this is the clay that I use for a glow house in UK. So it's a non-toxic air dry molding clay. All right, okay. So guys, here I'm starting off with gesso just to get a nice clean base so my paint can adhere to it. And it's always good to go with gesso first and get rid of that grey which the air dry clay has. It's a grey color. So pretty much just brushing over with the gesso, which is in a format of like white paint. So guys, here I've got some brushes that I bought from AliExpress. Those are painting brush like for precision type of paint. If you do art, you probably want to invest, and they ever so cheap as well. Okay, don't forget to like, comment and share.
Not just to Rwanda, but to Africa. So how did that journey start? And tell me about this. How actually did you decide that you wanted to start an African business?
It started once I tried to expand as a person and open up more opportunities for myself and my family. And I started doing research on how do I develop economically. And then started that was to open up our own business. And when I started in Africa and our homeland, I thought that would be a perfect opportunity for me to do something socially and economically for my family. And I find that rewarding on both ends.
That's from anywhere in the world. So they said to us, you can go back to the US and register your business in Rwanda. But I would only advise that to do once you really know what you want to do in Rwanda and once you get started. Otherwise, they hate you. Everyone who has started small,
Yes.
has started, despite their fears. And I actually always say, if you feel that you're stretching yourself and you're feeling the discomfort, that's good. Because it means it means you're stepping outside your comfort zone. If you feel comfortable, you're probably not in the right direction.
Yes, absolutely.
So don't worry about feeling the discomfort.
And yeah, I mean, if you're interested to start an African business, even on a shoestring budget, being still in the US,
Or you have a business already and you want to expand that into Africa, whatever it is, check out my website, africajumpstart.com. And I mean, we're here also ready to support each other because it's business, but at the same time, it's for us, it's also, it's a mission, right? It's a mission to change our narrative together. And it's fun.
Oh, yeah.
Much fun.
Thanks everyone. It's bye from us from Rwanda. Bye. Bye. Hi everyone, this is Dr. Harnad, your African business coach online and offline from Kigali, Rwanda. And I'm here with two of our Africa business and investment mission participants. And this is Sassy from the UK. We have, for example, also mangoes here, which are very high in demand, also in the export market, but they have certain seasons in which they grow. Now, pineapple fruit here, and the demand for it is
told were for fruits in Ghana. And a lot of these requests actually right now are not coming so much from the European Union or the United States, but a lot of these requests are coming now from Turkey, China, and the Arab Emirates. So we have a great demand from these countries for fresh fruits, especially in regards to pineapple. Costa Rica used to be, or still is, a market leader in pineapple production globally, but it used to cover about 85% of the global demand. However, Costa Rica is really struggling in keeping that going. It's struggling with land degradation issues, and as a result of that, the pineapple quality has gone down, and the market share of Costa Rica has gone down, creating a really serious gap in the supply of pineapples globally. So it's a fruit that came up again and again, and so I had to mention it. And if we are looking at other agri products, the other that came up was mango, but also cashew nuts.
I want to say another quick hello. I will continue to, to share the insights that we find here with you. So this morning, I just wanted to give you a quick, a little secret maybe. I'm not sure how aware you were of that. And that is a product that has amazing potential in the Ghanaian market, in the African market, but also on the global market. And that product is shea butter. Now, shea butter is not being cultivated in Ghana, it's actually growing wild. So you will find shea butter nuts, it's the nuts that are growing wild, not the butter. And you will find the shea butter nuts especially in northern Ghana, and we've been collecting and gathering shea butter nuts, and they're also processing it often locally into the shea butter. Now, because it's growing wildly and it does need to be cultivated, you really have a product where you don't have any real capital investment, at your end, or
guys, this Liquitex product here will give you a nice shine to your items as well. Added layer to your clay, make a waterproof type of base, will give that lovely base to your items, and you'll be able to wipe it clean as well. Just very nice. I mean, it's very thick, it goes a long way because you can actually dilute it with water, and dries after an hour is okay for you to touch it, and it'll be just a nice shiny very nice glazed finish to your ceramics. Yes. Guys, I've been playing with the air dry clay, creating some lovely pieces for my home and also for selling on my Etsy store. Yes, so I made these lovely coasters, and aiming towards my creations more Afrocentric type of feel to them. And yes, guys, do not forget to comment down below and let me know if you like. I know there's a lot to improve, and obviously with time and me making this type of a video for you guys as well, you see the improvement, and hopefully you'll be able to subscribe. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for, sis? I do fashion, beauty, and also talk about fragrances. If you're interested, don't forget to subscribe.
second, I know you feel the beat.